Hi, so I wanted to make a quick one to show you a collab that I'm doing with a website called Blooming Jelly. They sent me a bunch of bikinis and I tried them on and I liked them, so I have a promo code for you. They're really affordable and they're really practical and cute. This is one of my favorite ones. This is the yellow check gingham one, and I took the size extra small, so you will see everything that I'm wearing here is size extra small, and I'm about a US 0, UK 6 in size, so my hips are about 88 centimeters. Yeah, just so you see, because some of them which are the size small I didn't even show you because they were huge on me. So make sure you order your size. If they're not available in your size, it's probably not that they run any smaller, it's probably just not your size. So this is another one of my favorite ones, which has all the frilly bits on the chest and is a blue with stripes. They're very retro, these ones, which I like, and I like tie on the sides. So those are basically the two styles that I recommend and where the sizing was good. And you'll see that after this one I ordered also a couple of black t-shirts, just basic things. Oh, this was another option that came with this top. So actually this top that you see that I'm wearing, it comes with this bottom option, but I preferred the other one, so I was using the other one because this is actually a bit big on me, even though it's a size extra small. So yeah, just so you see them on. And I've been testing them for a couple of days. I'm just wearing them around the house. You know, I like wearing bikinis. And these are the black t-shirts that I mentioned, which are a mix of cotton and polyester. I think almost 50-50. I tend to prefer viscose and bamboo, but you know, basic black t-shirts. I recommend the bikinis best. This is the first tie side bottom, which I prefer, so if I were you I would order that one. Thank you for watching, see you later.